for you. Now me tell your ex-wife, say make you carry your children, run away from you. Why you can't be saying na me, you say you want to pay people for waiting you use your hand take cost for yourself. Why you can't be saying na me and my innocent baby, now you want to pay. You tell George, you know fear, you say make George collect my baby from my hands. They really carry the baby. Felice Ozidede, I know you before. The document where you want to say when me give you. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. Now you give me document. I be the house where you say when me give you. Now your papa now your papa for grave. Now give me the house. I be now your mama for grave. Now give me the house. The house where you say when me put your name, when me remove my son name and put your son name so that when you be the owner of my house. As if for waiting. How me go remove my son name and put your son name, say may you be my own, may you come be the owner of my house. Only you want. Now you go still carry friends. You go pack friends come my house. Without say you no go tell me. If me ask you, go begin call they threaten me with a Arubaga. Now say I go do you this. Now say you go do me that. Felice Ozidede, if I go not punish you today, if you not die today, my God. Go take your children one by one. My God, your children, your 3 children, be 4 children, be now 5 children you get. They go bury them one by one this year. You go begin to bury them one by one this year. If you not bury one, if you not bury all your children this year, you gonna say my name not be Kate. Me not be Kate. If you not bury your children this year, you gonna say me not be Kate. You hear me so? Gonna say my name, not be Kate. If you not bury your children one by one this year, if those your 4 children not die, or be 5 children not die for your eye this year, you're gonna say me, I don't be Kate. Shebi you sabi judge, you sabi defend, you sabi show, take, see, prove, I get this, I get that. You will be say, they find for Italy. You will be say, then the Italy, they find you for the 21 prison, the 21 years in prison where you get for grant for Italy there. They find you for Italy. Now you call France, you can't say na me, now you want to use this show for France. My dear, I go worry you till your grave. If you not go your grave, if they not bury you, I no go rest. I no go rest. For today go, I don't be your nightmare. I don't be your nightmare. Me, I don't become your dream. I go make sure say, you see this idiot. This mogo. Okay, they carry the baby come out from my hand. It is say now let me one. No be your blood. Ha! Now let me want burner. I still be your blood now. But you mumu rich. You mumu rich because of documents. Because of your documents. Because of 65 euros. I mean 66 euros. Where there they give the baby. Where be say the money even they reach me even tell they buy pampers for a week. Now it make you say make government carry the baby. Say you better say where the baby there for government hand. That say the baby go there my hand. You see your life? And that baby, that innocent baby, that innocent baby, its tears go there your head. He go there your head. That innocent baby go worry you. He go also worry the children where you there for born. All those your children go die one by one. That one there for government hand. Now government carry on, you don't go die. But your own children go die for your eye. All of them go die for your eye one by one. Better. See you they pretend saying I saw you clean. Where you tell they carry they call. If you house where you not get where be say you know they pay us rent. You know they pay the light bill. You know they pay the gas bill. You know even they contribute anything for the house. I pick you for dustbin. I pick you like a junkie. Put you for my house. Bath you. Finish. Feed you. Finish. Because they waited to pay me back. Now government will take my blood away from me. You go suffer. You go suffer. You Felix, you go suffer. You see, say for that swear when the rest women don't first swear for you. If they worry, you will be saying, oh, your body full of city like a see where you carry HIV. Now so man. And Nigerian man for that matter go even say you want bath. And Nigerian man for that matter go say you want bath. He go carry water, go they pour up for body. Come out to use sponge. If you take bath, you know they use sponge. Since women since women not Felix so the for since 1 year now, that man never use sponge to touch his body. He never bath with sponge. Now say go you enter bedroom, go turn water put for body, go come up for inside bedroom. You carry towel, my white towel, take clean body. You be like say my white towel, they go put her for erosion. Eh? They go just like take go dry erosion. You know they share for all those things. You know they share. Only you want your body full of sweetie. It be like person made the throw medicine give for your baba things where they do. But the one when me go do you now, you go pass that sweetie. HIV go enter you and you go die slowly. Better you go beg for that, you not go see. You go there for this world, you go to suffer. You go suffer. You go even they beg God, say, God, I beg, take my life. God no go green. God, because he must allow you to suffer with you cause for yourself. You made them take away my 3 months old, my 2 months old baby. 2 months, just 2 months old. 2 months old. You say, baby, God, they take her away from me. You see me? I blame myself. Way. I regret the reason why. The very first day I know you, if I see you for face, I swear, I don't care to even not go to that prison where you always want me to go. That prison where you always want me to go. I don't care now to not go. But your life, for today go a day danger. I blame myself. You say for the court, the judge even still they blame me. The judge they blame me. How can me open my eye and born for that kind man? When me not say the baby, if me born and the baby not go stay with me. Why me go born for this kind man? When me not say if me born for the baby, if me born the baby not go stay with me. This man like they take away my baby of 2 months old. Wait till you want get for all these things what you do. Because of documents. Now me want to give you document after 29 years in Europe. Land you not get for Africa. If you come on land, you not get money bank, you not get for Africa. If you house, you not get for Africa. After 29 years in Europe, close it to 30. And how many age you day? How many age you dey? Not be 47. You want complete now. 47 old man. Now him say me they take away 2 months old baby. Government. They want me. Now what did the judge still tell me? Now me cause this thing for myself. You know why? Because why? When me take born that baby for hospital, when you take hospital, cause they make problem with me, say I not put your name for the baby. They come tell me say, may this baby for they save with me. May they carry me and the baby go for a year. They no say me get house. Me cause say no, me not they go for a year. Okay, they cause still reason and say me they were for France. Maybe not because say as I they when I make me say me no want for a year. Okay, they cause still beg me. Okay, they want go rent one bed, one room and parlor for me when me day with my baby. I say no. Say I no agree because I don't already get my whole ass. With me I dey where they can't want me. Okay, they go leave this baby for you. When you want condition, you know why? Because they see the way you take care of this baby. They see the way you take care of this baby. Because of this reason, they go allow me go my house with my baby. Because the man tell they say me they collect this baby from my hand for hospital. May they not allow me come out with this baby for hospital. When they collect the baby from my hand, for the very day the baby was born, say me they collect him from my hand for hospital. Based on say hospital, they not be that kind of bad people. They not see anything, say I do anything bad. Where he go make the collect my baby. Now so they got to change my room. I don't know say information. This man don't give the information. They will lie. He said me no fit take care of my baby. Say me no go fit take care of my baby. Oh, say me they collect the baby from my hand for hospital. Why? Because the son not put in name. He send me voice record that very day. Promise me he with his useless brother where they call Peter for Nigeria. Peter was the way I see that go kill for Nigeria. Where that Peter, whether Peter be named Peter was the they go die by. I see that for Nigeria there. That man no go pass. That your brother no go pass this year. Now see them go kill him. That one never do. I got surprised say they come meet me. They say they need to change my room. Now I ask they say why. They say they get why because why the way this man they behave, then they fear say make this man no call you draw this baby, make you not call kid the innocent baby. Because the way the man push the baby made they just newborn. Baby will never reach 30 minutes where they born. If you see the way this man carry that baby, free and throw away. If they drag. He carry baby for nurse hand. He push the baby away. If they drag paper for nurse hand, say you want check on whether I name day, whether I name day. If they tell us say, since not be name day, say me nurse go remove my son name. Not be say me not put in name now. Another man name I put my son name. Because why? The time I get belly, this man leave me. He abandoned me. After 8 months, I was born. This man got to come back. At that time, France don't reject and say, then don't want her for their country. Again. Now I got to come back. I don't know say na document. Can I come back? Oh, now later, we got to do all those things. Now me tell us, I say, why you go to behave all these kind of things? You want to me to take this baby from her? Now you go to tell me, say, France not give her paper. Say, France reject her. Say, France ask her to come up for their country because they don't give her paper. He not get document. Now me tell France say me they not give you document. Now me tell you, may you they pack people come for the foyer where they put you. You they pack people from Italy they come. Say make them they pay you 50 euro. May where you take they carry they come. You they collect money for people hands. And you want to say make the government give you documents. As they want to give you the document. Where can be say you they do traffic some things for their country. He never do you. They call say when me come up for the room. They want to change my room. And really, they can't really carry me come up for the room. I don't know say the room where they go put me camera there. I don't know say camera there for the room where they carry me go. So they can't need to ban this man. Say make you not come for hospital again. Or see me go come up for hospital. Make this man not come hospital again. Say if he come, if they say and they go call police for him. Really? He go come. They not go agree say make he enter. They go drive him. He go back. The place where they put me, I don't know say camera deal. Now after a week, I spent almost about a good week. Almost close to 2 weeks. Now me when they go for hospital, before hospital call release me to come out. They can't tell me say when me come out with my baby. Hey, the day when me want come out for hospital, now that day me no say that room where they put me and my baby, say camera dey there. I surprised say the oga, their own manager for the hospital come by himself. Call they wish me well, they pray for me, they tell me say he pray, say when me jama, where you go fit join me take care of my baby. Say the father of my baby is a very bad person. Say the man tell the say me no fit take care of my baby. Say me they collect the baby from my hand. He tell them say me not go fit take care of my baby. Say maybe they collect the baby from my hands. So because of say they not get any proof when they want to collect the baby, now me Come carry me come this room. Now so the woman come take point and go up. He say when me look up. Now me call look. I see say camera did there. Now I say wow. So when I carry me, when I put me for where camera they since. So why? Now they call they explain to me. See the reason why. And the reason why they put me for that room. They don't monitor me. They don't investigate me. They still say me not be that kind of person where the man tell them say I be. Say but they go tell me say when me go for a year with my baby go stay for a year. Even if say I get house I dey way just for the protection of my baby. Say because the man not want this baby. Wait this man want now document. Then don't see him. Say the man no want the baby. Now I know they go for a year. They can say, okay, may they still go rent one room and bed, one room and parlor for me. Saying, but me no go pay. Oh, I no go they pay. Now then go they pay for me. I can't say no. How me go there? Me go see they pay my own house rent. My own house rent when me they pay for a month. And they pay 800 euro. Why government? Why government they support me with 400 euro? Why everything can be 1,200 euro? When me they pay every month for my own house? This man never support me one day, pay my rent. But he go there my house, he go they carry friends, they come without saying no go even take permission for me. He go they carry friends, they pack, they come my house. They come, they pack, come. I caught her the son of they go to the house. I prefer to stay in my house. I don't know say the house. When we go stay, my baby not go there with me again. Which house? Now wake government go carry the house because I don't want again. I don't want this house again. May they go carry the house. Me no want again. I don't want their house again. I don't want again. As I come out from hospital, they come warn me. They say they go only leave me go for one condition. Gay. Say that condition. They no one see this man close to my baby. If they see him close to my baby, they go collect the baby from my hand. And then I cut it, it's okay. I don't hear. And really, I can't take their word because I don't want to say may they collect this baby from my hand. I know what. Now this useless man called they call my old brother for Italy. They tell my brother, say, my brother beg me. Say when me just allow him to call they visit the baby, just they see the baby for face. After some months, after 1 month, now I could say allow this man. This man don't come for many times for my house. I don't go open door for him. He go. He don't come many times. I don't go open door for him. He go because government don't want me say if they see this man close to my baby, they go collect that baby from my hand. When I see say, as person they use good, they kill safe. For this life, he no good. Say me you they do good though. He no good. I don't kill myself with my good. I use the good. I use and take kill myself. See now. I use and take suffer innocent baby. Small baby for that matter. He can't get one day where this man can come. That's why he pressing my bell. As me not answer him, he can't begin to disturb all my labor. They disturb all my labor. They press all my own labor door. Now they call you say, one woman they knock, they knock my door. Now me call go open door for her. Now they tell me say, he get that man, he get one time where he always they come call they meet me for a house. Say the man they press it bed. Say when me ask the man why the man they press it bed. Really, I could come out. Now I come meet and say, why you go they press my labor bed? No, they disturb my labor. Again. Now he they beg me. Say he want just see baby. Let me allow him see baby. Oh, see me now. I can't really allow this man see this baby. Make this man can't go. Over since then, this man not gree leave my house again. I don't know, say this street, he not get where to stay. He well, let's they post picture. They do like say life they wear for her. He not get house. He not get anything. After 29 years in Europe, oh, he not get anything. Nothing get. House for Nigeria, he not get. Land for Nigeria, he not get. Nothing, not even shenshi he get for account. If you say shoe where they wear, if you put that shoe for your present, you go faint. Shoe where be say crazy person no go even feel wear. Now they wear. Make this man come up from my house. He no gree. Till that day where the matter happen. I not talk bad. Now he carry his friend come my house, even when he know say government bad and say make they come my house, call they see my baby. He still carry his friends come, he call the shot for my back hole. Now me take on me can say, why you gonna make noise for my back hole? And you know say government banned you, and maybe government just tell my labor, say make them they watch, make them they monitor me, whether they go see you around this my house. No, they make noise for my back hole. No, they disturb my labor. And your friends, where you they carry the call. You know say government banned you, but I allow you to call the see your baby because of say may God not say I call they do bad things. They make me. Even when me say I allow this man to call the see baby. Common food, you know fit buy. Pampers you know fit buy. I be the only one way be say I go buy pampers. I go buy food. Now me go buy clothes. For your present, now I carry 400 euro come out. I carry go supermarket, carry go boutique. I use Zante do shopping for my own baby. Still buy food. Nothing when he did. He get one day where the baby want go take injection, and me don't already pay my house rent. As friends, they tell me to get belle, say I no fit work. And me, I know the work, and my chômage don't finish. So government not gonna pay me again. I no fit pay my house rent. I could get bill of 1,800 for grant. For this my present, now me tell the find me want to pay. I mean want to pay my bill. For your present, now you another man. For send me that money, when me pay my bill 1,800, why he still dey inside the house? The man never even come the house one day. The man never see me for eye one day. The man never come my own house one day. After I don't pay all this bill finish, this baby my own baby want go take vaccine, and the vaccine na 100 euro, and he never dey for my hospital card. So I need to buy the vaccine 100 euro. I also buy the medicine when me go later give after the vaccine. Everything come be almost about 180 euro. 80 euro. Now let me buy the vaccine, still go buy this medicine. I not do bad thing. Now I tell this man say, what is the need? Say you just dey here. I nothing way you they do. Now me go feed you. Now me go see if they feed your baby. Now me go see if they pay my rent. So, may you go work, not be to just go give hotel. You go come out. You go come out around 6. Go give hotel the money. Come back around 9 o'clock in the night. You go there. You go drink. You go smoke. And if everybody for there go begin to fear you, because everybody forgive. All of them don't let me know say, babe, as this country happen to you, you know say we not go both talk to the man. The man they like to fight. Where? They like to beat people. They like to threaten people life. Where? So I beg, may you take heart. You see? Now, what me ask her? How let me want go till they do all those things? It's better say make you just dey for your home. Just go your house. Now this man begin start to. Now he begin they break everything for my house. He begin they break everything for my house. Now so this man carry mirror. He hit him for his head. He break the mirror for his head. Now police come. This man tell police and me break the thing for his head. He as the thing break finish, he carry the pieces. He use a tell mark his belly. He tell police and me do one. He tell me say the police must collect this baby today from my hand. Say na he make her come. He come here to come finish his mission. Say because he wants to make this baby go for government hand. He not go fit there alive. Say another man go come cause they take care of his baby. Say once away the baby go for government hand. Now this man take up problem. Police call come. The baby they call carry the baby. Today now I go the court of my baby. Judge, biggie judge. This man tell judge. They ask and say, what you want to make the baby be now? You want to make they give the baby to your mother to your mother? He say no, say make they not give me. Say make they keep him. Make they keep him for where he dey. Say because if they give me the baby, say me go kill him. Me go kill the baby enemy. He said me go kill my own baby when me born, when me carry for good 9 months born. He said me go kill my baby with my 2 hands. He tell judge, say me start back for your eye. Something wey happen since last year wey be say na even put me for prison. He don't say where this man they try to put me for prison. This man pack people come my house. He go tell police and I me pack the people. Now me carry the people for all the way from Nigeria come here. Say me they call the do how they pay me. And so lucky now, all those people call day here. They never come out that time. Now the people as police come boss they boss my ass. Early morning enter my ass. Say Felix Ozide they call they say I they do drug business. And me still they do human trafficking. Say whether all those people where they dey my house, whether not be me carry they come. Say whether all of them know they pay me. Whether not all of them know they pay me. I was so shocked. If you see what the police do me that day, I had this belly to come. That period they won't carry me go prison. The policeman tell me say na 5 years prison. And me they go. For the traffic, drug traffic and human trafficking. What me never do for my life since I was born. Like this man accused me of. So lucky. The people when he tell Ogba say na me carry con say then they pay me. They call there. One of them even they watch me. Favor they watch me. I will say not be favor. I boyfriend. Even tell Ogba say me even know themselves. I never know them. Now Ozide they carry they come my house. Without saying never tell me. Me no know them. Now help I give. As the carry they come my house, say based on say the Ozide the landlord the don't portion come off for her because he not fit pay landlord 1,800 when the whole landlord called driver come out. Then all these guys called there for streets. Now this man still go pack they come my house and never still refuse. I call help them because of one for his side. Favor because the girl is very nice. Now me cut her allow they stay my house. Now this man come out go talk back say I carry people come. The people in my house then they pay me. He talk back say me they do drug business. Traffic drug and human trafficking. Now me they do. Really, the Ogbas, they call him Mumu come, they call Tom and Hasosada. They ever sees them a favor document. They say me they call me there for station around 2. That was last year, Last year. They call seize there all of the documents. Say me they call me there for around 2 for station to call talk whether I me really carry the come. Because the owner of the house where then they say like the girl they go prison tomorrow morning after court. There they carry her, they go prison for 5 years. Say if they not come for that around 2 o'clock, if they not come, then go come back to this house. If they come, they go pack all of them and they go deport all of them, go Nigeria. And really, those girls already come for station. Now they said me. They called the police, no, say me never even know them. Now this man, I carry them come my house. Shebe is a big committee. Me small picky, 26 years old girl, like me. Now you say you want to suffer. 47 years old man. If they follow small picky of 26 years, they hold ground for Europe. He say, now me want you take pay for waiting. Yes, wife do. Yes, wife do to her. You good to her, and I make her say leave you. Not be you divorce am because of one girl. Because of one girl, old girl. Old girl, so not be make you divorce the woman with four children. Not be make her he carry children run away from you. Now me tell her say make he divorce you. I mean, I me tell you say may you go. Now me be that girl for Italy. Make it tell you say may you divorce your wife with 4 children. Why can't be saying na me because he want people? Not just only me one. My innocent baby, my 2 months old baby. Government collect her. She say make government collect that baby from my hand. And you think say you don't go free? My dear, you not go free. Now your life dey danger. Now you put yourself in danger because the one way me go do you. The one way me go do you, I go make this life, it go on top of your head. That time you go dey beg God, say, God, I beg, kill me, take my life. And God not go take your life. Better. Should they follow me the challenge? Person where you know say, when it comes to say use money, fight each other, you can never feel fight with me. With money. Or when they talk about documents, you can never feel fight with me. Or when they can't even talk about house, you can never feel fight with me. When they can't even talk say travel, go Africa and really go and show your power there, my dear. If me buy ticket today for you for your own matter, say me want travel go Africa, I'll go there, I'll come back because passports and documents they my hand. When I go there, you see those your old children. So when you say you get, you say you not care for this one will be this baby of me. You say, may government take them because you already don't get 4 children, be 5 children. I go make sure all of them go down before me go come back. I'll make sure say you bury them before 90 days, December, before me go come back to this Europe. Oh yes, my dear. After that one, after you don't bury your old children finish one by one, after then don't complete, finish, they don't die finish, it go be your turn. I go make sure say you suffer. I go put suffer in your life. You go suffer, you go, in fact, you go become I go make sure say I put, I go make sure say you go run, I go make you run mad, You go run mad. You go to beg for God. Say, God, come and take my life. God not go clean. Now wait me go do you. You take one thing away from me, You take one thing away from me. But me will take 10. I go take 10 away from you. Better. I go make sure I take 10 away from you. And after then, the same me will still go to Italy. I go and report you. Now the police people know say you, they France. And now the same business. Now you still they do for France. Make they contact France. Better. We shall see. Shebi is a bit. Shebi is a bit, George. Shebi is a bit do. Yeah, your brother, his brother say if even still call me, call they threaten me, oh. His brother even still call they threaten me. My brother don't never use one day to threaten you. My own brother, where you even still call yesterday, send a message, begin the beg and say make he help her, make he help you beg his sister, say if una reach court. If una reach court, make him tell court, make he tell judge say me and you know the quarrel again. The same brother where you tell, and the same brother where you go tell judge say my brother they threaten you. Wait till you want give for all those things where you did do. My brother now your mate, not be your mate oh. You see on and go far that one true. Age you see on and go far. That one are true. 45 years old. My old brother is 30-something years. 47 years old. But